Hello friends, my name is MS Akhtar and I have 35 years of experience working on the ground, and it is a rare thing that some of knowledgeable and experienced people like me are giving training. So nobody used to do all these things. They are just so I have started my career as a safety inspector and joined as a joint general manager of Larsen and Toubro hydrocarbon, worked many years as a consultant. Now I am retired, fully retired, and doing a and started sharing my knowledge and experience so that you can grow. Because as I have told you in many of the videos, that if you have the knowledge, you can grow. If one organization is doing some politics, you can leave that organization. If you have the knowledge, you can go in some other organization and pass. Because ultimately, client organization need to get approval from the client and work efficiently. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the grinding wheel, what to do, what not to do. Okay. So it is an essential guide for using grinding machine. So be careful and watch till the end. And before starting, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel and like it and give your comments. So grinding operation are commonly common in many industries, but come with risk. It is a very risky. It can cause many of the accidents which I also have witnessed, and many of the locations. You can see the many of the cases. Proper safety guidelines can, if you use it properly, safety means as a HSE professional, this is your responsibility to make sure that the equipment is proper, it is maintained properly, people are trained properly, PPE are used, and people are aware with the instruction chart what to do, what not to do, and you can give the training. So, what you have to do? Inspect the grinder and wheel before use. First point. Wear appropriate PPE, face shield, Google gloves, ear protection. Ensure the work rest is properly adjusted. Okay, that I have discussed in the OSHA requirement of the grinding wheel. I have already discussed what is the CFR it is. Use wheel rated for the grinder RPM value. Okay, stand to one side of the grinder during a startup. Keep the area clean and well lit, because a spark is there, fire can occur. Replace worn or damaged parts immediately. Don't wait for the till the end. And what not to do? Don't use a cracked or damaged wheels. Don't grind without proper guarding in place. Don't wear loose clothing or jewelry because it can stuck. It is a rotating. So don't exceed the maximum RPM of the wheel. Don't use excessive force while grinding. Okay, that people are pressing it. So that's why training is required. Grinder, if some I have seen some people are pressing to finish it, and then it will boom, and then it can cause a very serious injury. Okay, don't leave the grinder running, because once it is a dead man switch is, if once it leave it will stop, but there is a switch, it has to be switched off, because if it accidentally the dead man switch is away and it can cut something. Okay, don't use the side of a wheel for grinding unless designed it for it. Side, because every equipment, the angle grinder, there are different type of grinder is there, that we will discuss in some other video. What type, how many varieties of grinder is there, and what is the requirement, what is the safety. Okay, so always follow safety procedure as I have told in this. You, whenever you are inspecting or seeing something, try to get the manufacturer's manual and read it carefully. What is suggesting, what part has to be used, because any part what manufacturers are recommending, that only has to be used. What safety requirement is there and how it has to be maintained, then only your inspection is effective. Not like as a layman, if you are inspecting, many of the HTC professionals are doing this. So it is very PT on this. Regular inspection of equipment, wear correct PPE and say stay alert, understanding the following follows do's and do nots must be people you should communicate to the others, give the training, and when you are at site doing the inspection, you this is as a HSC professional, this is your responsibility to see what you will see if you are going if you don't have the knowledge. So this is a very good opportunity for all the whoever is watching to get the good knowledge and grow in your career. As I have told, if you have the knowledge, you can earn lot of money, lot of opportunities are there. But people are struggling because they are just trying to pass time and they don't have the proper knowledge. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comments, and give your comments what how you will what are the things you need. Thank you.